Hello, my students. Today is Tuesday, 25 August 2020. Topic used to. We continue speaking about used to. Performance right sentences. This is introduction. Remember that is introduction to page 48. Okay. Okay, continue. And review that. Used to. Acostumbraba, solía. Cuando tú solías hacer algo en el pasado, pero que ahora ya no lo haces. Bueno, entonces, el día de hoy is very short activity. You please copy these sentences and in your notebook, okay? Remember that the sentences you will use in your page 48. Este vocabulario, esta introducción es para la página 48. Okay, let's start. I used to drive my car. Look the car. He said, I used to drive my car. Yo solía manejar mi carro. Yes. This is very good. And the other is, you used to take the subway. Look, this is the subway. And this is a transport. And you say, just use it to take the subway. ¿Ok? Algo que solía hacer, que no lo está haciendo en el presente, pero sí solía coger el subway. And negative, remember, cuando utilizo el negative, utilizo el auxiliar, el ayudante, el que dice, hey, esto es negativo. Look, miren, use. No coloco used, sino use. ¿Ok? I didn't use to take the subway. Entonces sería como, yo no solía tomar el subway. Entonces mira, aquí lo tenemos. Forma afirmativa, you used to take the subway. And negative, I didn't. Lo niego, I didn't used to take the subway. And the last is, I used to ride my bike to school. Look, the girl, she said, I used to ride my bike to school. Este es un verbo que lo utilizamos exclusivamente para montar bicicleta. ¿Ok? Montar, es montar o montar a caballo. I used to ride my bike to school. Affirmative. Look, used. ¿Ok? And today I need that you copy the sentences in your notebook and please you draw the ideas, okay? No Spanish, only draw the ideas. And in this, cuando dices I didn't, le podemos colocar un círculo que nos diga que no, I didn't. Hagámoslo de una vez, it's a circle. Este es negative, very short. Okay, like this. I didn't, no lo hacía. Look the lines. No, we just like this. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. The line, a line. I like it's a line, no, don't like a circle. Okay, like this. Like this. I didn't. Affirmative, I used to take the subway. Negative, I didn't used to take the subway. Okay? Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. I need that you copy the sentences in your notebook. Bye, see you.